Sunglow Flaxseed Plus Fiber Formula is a natural product for everyone young and old that can be taken for life. Rich in soluble and insoluble fiber, omega-3, 6, 9, and protein. It helps improve your digestion, relieves constipation, reduce your appetite, help control diabetes, and lose belly fat, but in a healthy way. Within a couple of days, you begin to feel healthier, and after 1 month, you start to notice your belly starting to get flatter and your confidence in yourself coming back. Sunglow Flaxseed Plus Fiber Formula gives you the fiber you don't eat but your body needs on a daily basis. Sunglow Flaxseed helps your digestive system, blood circulation, heart, kidney, and brain function in a natural, healthy way. It makes you feel better and increases self-confidence. Remember, take Sunglow Flaxseed Plus Fiber Formula 2 times a day to melt the belly fat away.